Hello people, I'm Ajit and welcome to my channel Authentic Reviews. I haven't uploaded this Thursday because of my internet service provider. I know it's strange, but that is what happened, really happened. The same has been posted at social media places. Do check them for recent updates. The links are below in the description box. And now let's get to the video. Today I'm going to review about a camera called Nikon Coolpix S3500. This is an amazing camera. I have been using it for the past 5 years. The features are awesome. It has a 20.1 megapixel CCD sensor, which is one of the best features. 7x optical zoom lens with a lens shift VR, that is vibration reductions to reduce the effects of camera shake. As well as auto mode are concerned, there are 18 scene modes which will help you in better photography. This is a nice camera which is easy to handle, comes with funky colors and a budget price of around 7000 INR with digital filters included. Using Coolpix is a breeze, and even if you have never handled a camera before, you won't struggle with this one. The menus are simple and easy to understand and split into 3 different sections so that you can find out where exactly you are at a glance. The picture quality is absolutely fine. The image size is approximately 4 MB each. It comes with a autocorrect feature which is an add-on. A lithium ion recharge battery is an added advantage. There is an option for video recording too, but don't expect too much as the quality is just okay. It comes with charging an AC adapter, a cable to connect the camera with the LCD or TV too. To be specific, this is a general purpose camera, very good for household use and family use. However, it may be considered for beginners photography too. Because of 7x zoom, it can be used for simple holiday trips. Talking about its rival or similar price range camera for use, they are Canon PowerShot A3300IS, Fujifilm FinePix Z90, Panasonic Lumix DMC S3, Pentax Optio S1, Sony Cybershot DSC J10. So these are the 5 cameras which are at the same price range or somehow closer to Nikon S350, but it is not better than Nikon S350. Why? Because there are 2 major functionalities. First is the zoom capacity. Only 5x zoom capacity has been provided by one of these five rival cameras which I have told you, and most importantly, so Nikon is providing 20 megapixel sensor, CCD sensor, but none of these 5 cameras are providing this much megapixels at this price range. So Nikon S350 is the best, comparatively the best option in this price range. The quality of lens is great for camera at this price point, but the biggest surprise is in its capacity to handle noise. Nikon has really worked to reduce noises in camera images. It has a best tool for noise control to provide the best quality images. Because of its price range, it is accessible to a lot of people. When I bought it, I got a 2G memory card free, but you can add any memory of your choice. If you like the review, then buy this camera from the Amazon link provided in the description below. It will help the channel. Let me know if you have any questions about this camera in the comments below. I'll make sure it gets answered. Also, let us know if you have any specific device to be reviewed. We will try to do it for you. Press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to get notifications on the latest uploads. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.